I'm back again. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. Roar. What must I do? I have a plan.
Today you eat. Guys, I hate this part, but you have to do it. Keep the kitchen clean, you know? Gotta wash everything. But this right here is a mess. This is all part of cooking, guys. This is all part of cooking. If you don't know how to clean after, then I'm sorry, cooking isn't for you. It isn't.
You have to enjoy it. You have to be like, hey, little guy, go and wash it with passion.
Yes! Yes, he's gonna get clean.
No!
Yeah, you have to get washed. You are the green rat.
She's mine!
I am not done yet, guys. So yes, guys, like I was saying, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Even this, I hate it, but I love it. Beautiful, clean spoon. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, look at the brightness. Look at my face. You could see. Hey, wow. If you cannot see yourself, it is still dirty. Yes. 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 So, that's so you can learn how to clean your kitchen after. Goodbye.